Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? In this video today, we're going to show you in this small space how many plants we're growing and how they're doing. These plants work really well with each other. They shade each other and they run on each other comfortable. The first plant I'm going to show you right here, it's a pepper plant growing right in this area here, and look how the pepper plant doing well with all the shade it's getting. This is a Tabasco pepper right here, and this one here is a bell pepper right here. Look how they're growing healthy with all this shade. As you can see, we have a squash growing right here as well, coming all the way around, coming all the way even to up there, all the way. So it's growing right around. We also have llama beans growing really well with these plants, pushing out a lot of flowers. They even have llama beans at the same time. So let me carry you back around here that you can see more. We also have corn growing, which this corn is getting ready to harvest in a few. And we also have okra growing. So in this little space, guys, we have many plants growing, and as you can see, it's a pretty small space, but all you have to do is know what to plant and allow them to work with each other. So you have the pepper, you have the squash, you have the llama beans, which is this right here.